In this video, I will show you how to download and install DirectX 12 on your Windows PC. There are two ways to do this. First, open the Start menu, open Settings, click Windows Update, and then click Check for Updates, as DirectX updates are usually included with Windows updates. Once your PC is updated, you can check your DirectX version by opening the Run dialog, typing DXDiag, pressing Enter, and clicking Yes if prompted. Under the System tab, look at the bottom of the window to see your installed DirectX version. If it already says DirectX 12, you're all set. If not, open your web browser, search for DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer, open the official Microsoft website, download the installer, and run it. Accept the license agreement, uncheck the option to install the Bing bar if it appears, click Next, and let the installation finish. Once it's complete, run DXDiag again to confirm that DirectX 12 is now installed. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.